If you're already using Dynamics 365 and want to meet your customers where they are, WhatsApp, then you're going to love this. WhatsApp for Dynamics is a Dynamics 365 WhatsApp integration that brings WhatsApp messages right into your CRM. No more switching tabs or juggling apps. Everything stays in one place. Let's say a customer sends you a WhatsApp message for the first time. Wouldn't it be great if they immediately received a helpful autoresponse? Well, guess what? You can set this up. And you don't need to manually send anything. In this video, we'll walk you through how to send autoresponse for the very first message received from the customer. That's exactly what we're setting up in today's tutorial. First things first, we need to open Power Apps and head over to Flows to create a new automated cloud flow. You can create the automated flow in Power Apps or in Power Automate Flow. Why Automate Flow or Power Automate Flow? It helps us automate tasks that would normally take time, like responding to that first WhatsApp message, saving you time and reducing manual work. Click on Create in the top right and select Automated Cloud Flow. This is key because we want the flow to trigger automatically when a new event occurs, specifically when the first message from a customer comes in. Now, give your flow a name. Let's call it WhatsApp for Dynamics, Automated Reply First Incoming Message. This will help you recognize it later. For the trigger, we'll select when a row is added, modified, or deleted. You might wonder why this trigger. Well, this is how we track changes in the data tables where WhatsApp message details are stored. Set the change type to added. We want this flow to trigger when a new row is added, meaning when a new message comes in. Now, let's specify the table. Choose Chats, where message details are stored. Under Scope, select Organization to make sure this applies across the whole organization. Lastly, in the Filter Rows field, we'll enter IKL_direction EQ1. This ensures we only trigger the flow for first incoming messages. Click New Step to add the next action. For this one, we'll choose Add a New Row. We're creating an outbox record here, essentially the automated reply that will be sent back to the customer. Set the table name to Outbox. This is the table where the outgoing message will be logged. Under Name, choose Send Message, because that's exactly what we're doing. For chats, select the chat parameter from the dynamic content options. This links the outgoing message to the incoming one. Next, under From Configurations, select the Configuration field. This defines which WhatsApp account we're sending the message from. Now, for the fun part, selecting the message template. The message template defines the content of your automated response. To get the template ID, head over to WhatsApp for Dynamics. Navigate Configurations, Twilio Sandbox, and select your message template. Copy the message template ID from the URL and paste it into the message template field here. Don't forget the mobile number field. Select mobile number from the dynamic content options. This ensures that the automated reply will go to the right customer. Once that's done, let's add another step to handle the case when the customer responds. Click on New Step, choose Switch, and select the message parameter. Here's where you set up the conditions for different replies. For example, if the customer responds with, "Yes, I am," you can trigger another message or action. Also, the text entered must be the same as the option button in the message template. Under Case 1, we'll add an action to add a new row in the Outbox table again. We'll send a product list message template in response to the customer. Go back to Twilio Sandbox in WhatsApp for Dynamics and copy the product list message template ID. Paste it in the message template field in Power Automate. For Case 2, let's set up another action. In this case, when the response is WhatsApp for Dynamics, we can send a different message, like a more detailed response. The steps for Case 2 will be similar to Case 1, we're just using a different message template. Once everything is set up, click Save and you're all set. Now, whenever a customer sends their first message to your WhatsApp number, Power Automate will automatically reply with a personalized message. It's that easy. Let's test it out. Here, you'll see how the flow responds to a customer's first message. It's automated, efficient, and saves you from needing to manually respond to every inquiry. Here's how it looks on the customer screen. They get a fast, professional reply right after they message, making the experience feel instant and seamless. And there you have it. You've just built a fully automated first-touch reply for WhatsApp using WhatsApp for Dynamics and Power Automate. Ready to try it out? Set up your first autoresponse flow today and elevate your customer conversations, one chat at a time. Before we wrap up, here's a quick feature you'll want to check out. WhatsApp for Dynamics now supports pre-chat and post-chat questionnaires. The pre-chat questionnaire is triggered automatically when a customer sends the first message, like "Hi" or "Hello." It helps capture key details right at the start so agents have useful context before they respond. The post-chat questionnaire can be sent manually during the chat or automatically when the chat ends. It's a simple way to gather feedback or follow-up inputs. All responses are stored in CRM and are visible directly in the WhatsApp for Dynamics chat interface. The responses can also be mapped to CRM entities or saved as new records for future use. Found this tutorial helpful? Like it, share it with your team, and drop your questions in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy automating!